Hello everyone, this is Ranjan, and now I am going to give the presentation of a pen testing. So what is the penetration testing? A penetration testing or a pen test is an attempt to evaluate the security of an IT infrastructure by safely trying to exploit vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities may exist in operating system, service and application flaws, improper configuration, or risky end user behavior. Such assessments are also useful in validating the efficacy of defensive mechanism as well as end user adherence of a security policy. So this is called the penetration testing. So what is the value of a penetration testing? So here are the few points. Uh, with this reason of organization invest in the penetration testing. The first one, determining the feasibility of a particular set of attack vectors. Second one, identifying higher risk vulnerabilities that result from a combination of uh, lower risk vulnerabilities exploited in a particular sequence. Okay, so third one is identifying vulnerabilities that may be difficult or impossible to detect with automated network or application vulnerabilities scanning software. And the fourth one, assessing the magnitude of potential business and operational impacts of successful attacks. And the last one, testing the ability of network defenders to successfully detect and respond to the attacks. So these are the points. So and company want to do the penetration testing. Okay, so here are the lots of security testing tools for use the penetration testing. The first one, generally we use uh, number of 4 or 5 penetration testing tool. The first one, GenMap. So second one, Hydra Kali Linux. Third one, Metasploit. Fourth one, IBM AppScan. So these are the base security penetration testing tools. So now I am going to give the demo for the two tools. GenMap. GenMap, it's a, if you have put the URL and so you can and run the indents testing, so you can get the net it's scan the network port like HTTP, TCP, and FTP. So I'm giving the example by the tool. Okay, these are the GenMap tool. So I'm going to put the URL. This URL interactive services, I had worked on it. So and the most of the issues has been resolved. So I worked with the another clients and it's working fine from the art end. So now I'm going to give here is a target, and the target we can put the uh, complete application URL like interactiveservices.com or content.interactiveservices.com. And here is a uh, what type of penetration testing you want to do. Intense scan, intense scan plus UDP, these are the ports. And intense scan all TCP ports, intense scan no ping, ping scan, quick and quick scan plus, quick test route, regular scan, so comprehensive. So now I am going to now I have selected the intense scan and the click here, scan. wait for the response. These are the net commands. So okay, so starting and map tool. So we are getting the result on the sense NSC load 142 script for the scanning, script pre-scanning. These are the initial things, and map done, one IP address, scan second 23.84. So we worked earlier, and they give the result to the client. So client may, it's a fixed rate. So this is a use for the uh, GenMap tool. We can get here the port host topology, host details, scan. So this one is the GenMap feature for the scan the port, TCP IP, and the in network related for the any app, any organization. Now I am going to give the another example, which are the IBM AppScan. So IBM AppScan, the benefits. It's a quick start by using a built-in scan configuration wizard. Second one, obtain a through security assessment of your web application and web services. Third one, it's easy to scan and get the customized report in the PDF file. The fourth one, communicate vulnerabilities to development teams using details PDF report, like what I have said this. So I'm going to start pen testing with the IBM AppScan. Okay, so this is the IBM AppScan tool. Sorry. So here is a first I'm going to give the some scan configuration. So scan configuration will go for the scan configuration. Here is the URL services. So I put the URL here, and the login management. So login management. So here are the four criteria. So first one, if you select recorded, so it's a recorded. So first I will, it's internally logged into application by AppScan tool, and then it's recorded, or where we will go there, it will uh, record and give the result after the complete recording. And the second one is prompt. So first it will record first login, and then we'll go for the application. Automatic is here, uh, username, password, and re-enter the password. None. So nothing. So I would like to prefer the automatic. So put the username. Here is a put username and the password, and re-enter the password. And here, this is the main setting, scan export setting. So here is the modules which you want to include into the pen testing for the any application: NTML, NTLM, HTTP authorization, proxy server, client side certification, missing recording, logging, detect a Ajax framework. So these are the options, and lots of options if you want to include or exclude. If you deselect that is called the exclude, and if you select, that is called the include. So these are the main setting of this app scan. Now I'm going to scanning. So click on the OK button. The first will save. Suppose I have mentioned pen testing and the save. Okay, find this is the scan expert evaluate the scanning. So it will take so much time. So first I'll just evaluating and analyzing the what error are giving in this application. So apart then we can check again. So what we need to include or what we need to exclude in our setting. So just wait. Yeah, these are the one point suspicious URL and the suspicious URL. So what we'll do again, go for the scan configuration and then just check it out what is a suspicious URL. And yes, so just exclude it and then click OK and apply recommendation. And again it's give the save the same path when test scan and save it. Yes, replace. And now it's just giving the scanning. It will take so much time, maybe 1 hour 2 hour. So what I am trying to do, just I had already worked on this application. So just give the, I'm pausing here and this is a save option. After scanning, it's give the report here. So what you want to take a report like this executive summary, security issues, recommendation, application data, and save the report. So I had another where, so this one I had worked earlier. So again giving the option. And here is the report also. Okay, so after scanning it will comes like this. So how many security threats in this application. uh, so so yes, 1 high, 9 medium, 65 low, and 79 information. So these are the information. 1 high, session not invalidated validated after logout. Okay, these are the medium, and these are these are the mediums and low also. Sorry, this yeah, this one is a low and this is the medium. And here we can see the first security threat. This is a possible to gather sensitive debugging information. The possible causes: proper bounds checking were not performed on incoming parameter values. No validation was done in order to make sure that user input matches the data type expected. And also give the technical description. These are the technical descriptions, like a remove parameter value, set parameter value to null, set parameter value to numeric overflow, this one. And this is the application error, so give the recommendation also. So these are the benefits of this IBM AppScan. And the request and response also we can get here. So reasoning, what the reasoning? So reasoning is that the application has responded with an error message indicating an undefined state that may expose sensitive information. Okay, and here is a best option to take the screenshot and take the what the actual error. So show in browser. Once we open the show in browser, okay, so these are the main things where you can get the actual find the error in the IBM AppScan tool. Server error, untitled medical application. So these are the errors. And we can get the report. Now I'm going to give the report. How can you get the report from this tool? Go to report and this recommendations, applications, and save the report. Save the report. It depends upon the how many security threat here and how many pages are. So it will report will take at least depends, at least 1 minute or less than 1 minute. So rendering the page number for including all the page numbers. We can also customize the report. Suppose we don't want uh, application URL, script parameter, broken links, comments, JavaScript, cookies. So it will take you can exclude it and it will customize, and according to you, you can modify the report what you need. So this is the report basically. So customizing. So here is a scanned report. Scan the following sections: executive, these are the details, executive summary, details, security issues, recommendation, application data, application URLs, advisors, and fixed recommendation. Summary or executive summary, these are the chart. Security issues per host: high, low, medium, what we have. Security issue cause distribution, detailed security issues. So like the first one is http content interactive services.com. The first one, these are the variant request response. Okay, it's done. And you can also next thing is that you can also preview here. So you can get here, and you can find out the all the reports, and find out the all the issues, security issues, and you can share the uh, on team, and resolve then issues. So these are the benefits of the pen testing, and these are the tools we use for the penetration testing. And so thank you so much for giving the attention, and if any question, please let me know. Thank you.